Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll discuss a small video. Uh, this video is about a sutta named Kama Sutta. Action. Now, this happens at Savatiti, that is in Jeta's group. So, the story behind it is very simple. It says that I have heard that on one occasion the Blessed One was staying near Savatthi at Jeta's grove, near Antapindika's monastery. If you don't know who Antapindika was one of the greatest benefactor of the Buddha. And on occasion, a certain monk was sitting not far from the Blessed One, his legs crossed, his body held erect, enduring fierce pain, sharp and severe, that were the results of old karma, mindful, alert, without suffering. Now, the Blessed One saw him sitting not far away, his legs crossed, his body held erect, enduring fierce pain, sharp and severe, and that were the results of old karma, mindful, alert, and not struck down by them. Now, then, on realizing the significance of that, the Blessed One on that occasion exclaimed, "For the monk who has left all karma behind, shaking off the dust of the past, steady, unpossessive, such, there is no point in telling anyone else." Now, if you catch a glitch, it says in the end, it says that such there is no point in telling anyone else. What does it mean? It actually means that such is an adjective applied to the mind of one who has attained the goal. It indicates the mind is what it is, indescribable, but not subject to change or alteration. So what the Buddha says here is that there is no point telling anyone else if you have reached the goal. Now, this sutta has many meanings, and to realize the actual meaning of this, you have to go deep. Now, I'll try to tell you what is happening in this story. There's a monk, and he's sitting, almost next to the Blessed One, and is meditating. Now, because of the results of old karma, he's having severe pains. Now, there is also a glitch into this, that even though he's having pain, he is not suffering. So, enduring pain and suffering are two different things tied down to a mental condition. You do not actually have to suffer if you are enduring pain. That is what it means. So, here the Buddha also says that if a monk is meditating, is actually shaking off his old past karmas. Okay, so you have to endure that pain to shake off that old karma. Suffering or not suffering is dependent upon you. Okay, and if you manage to reach the goal, which I'll talk about in the next video, there is no point in telling anyone else. Why there is no point? Because the other person most probably won't understand what you're saying, and even if it does, it is indescribable, so you won't be able to describe it. Thank you very much. I'll close this sutta, that is the Kama Sutta, or in English it is action. Thank you very much.